Hey guys, it's me Yanni and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be doing a declutter with me. I'm going to show you how I decluttered, cleaned out, and reorganized my small kitchen pantry. I took it from looking a hot mess to nice and organized and efficient. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Wait, before we get started, if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe by hitting the red button below. And don't forget to leave me a comment down in the comment section below. So now, let's go ahead and get started. So the first step in any decluttering project is realizing you have a bit of a problem. My kitchen pantry was so messy and unorganized that I had items in there, perishable items, food items that had expired. And so I realized that it was time to give it a good cleaning out and toss items out and take stock of everything I had and reorganize it. So once I realized that I had a problem, I went ahead and drew up a little plan. I looked at the spacing in my pantry and decided what items I wanted to go where and sort of something like that. I did sort of a layout, and I didn't get too stuck on my layout because I'm one of those people that knows that I can plan something, but as I'm going along, things will change. So I just have to kind of go with the ebb and flow of everything. Once you're done making your plan, you are good to get started on your decluttering project. And next is purging everything. This is like my favorite part of any decluttering project. It is like throwing away the crap I don't need. It just makes me feel so much better. It literally lifts like a weight off of my spirit and being. So this is hands down my favorite part. That and the end of any decluttering, cleaning, and reorganizing project is my favorite. So as you can see, I'm purging and reorganizing as I go along. I am throwing things that are expired out, and I'm starting to put items that can be grouped together. So I have my spices and seasoning in one part. I have my ramen and noodles and rice in one section together. I have my cooking oils in another section together. Just grouping things so that when I put them away, I can know, okay, if I'm looking for that type of oil, it should be with this group of goods, if that makes sense. So now that I'm done purging and grouping everything together, I'm going to start restocking my pantry. And I'm kind of just going with the flow of things, trying to figure out what looks pleasing to my eye, what items should go in what places, what items I use the most. I am West Indian, so I love me some rice. So my rice is at eye level when I open up my pantry. And the jars that I got that I have the items in, I got from either Target, Big Lots, or Dollar Tree. So once I'm done with these 3 shelves, I'm now going to move down to the very bottom of my pantry where I keep all of my trash bags. And as you can see, it was a complete cluster. So I'm taking these 2 bins that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Y'all, Dollar Tree is the spot. You can get anything from there. I'm taking those 2 bins and I'm going to shove most of the plastic bags into them. And I also have a box of large kitchen bags that I'm just putting in there. And doesn't everything look so good? Everything looks amazing once it's all reorganized and put in a proper place. Now I'm cleaning out these last 2 drawers that are part of my kitchen pantry. And one part I didn't say before is when you are cleaning, make sure you are actually cleaning. I'm using my vinegar and water cleaning mix to wipe all the cabinets and drawers down before I start restocking items. And so for these 2 drawers, I organized them in a particular way. I wanted one drawer to be for food storage and another drawer to be for food serving. So you will see that I put all of the like Ziploc bags and what's that thing called? Reynolds wrap? Aluminum foil? Yeah. And the aluminum foil in one compartment together, and then everything else that you use to serve food, like forks, prongs, or tongs, or whatever they're called, napkins, paper plates, are all in another drawer. And that is it, you guys. That is my complete kitchen pantry declutter. Thank you for joining me as I decluttered another space in my home. I think the last place I decluttered The last space I decluttered was my closet. Again, my closet always needs to be organized and cleaned and reorganized and cleaned, but that's because it's like the most used part of my house for some weird reason. So if you want to check out that video, I'll link it up in the right hand corner for you guys. You can go ahead and click on that link and watch another declutter video. There should be more declutter videos coming for you guys soon. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and leave me a comment down in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos from me, Yanni. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Until next time, bye.